My name is Andrew Sutherland, aka Popcaan. I know the boss. Whichever name you choose. But this morning we fought for raise awareness on something while we are in Jamaica from all the way. You know, I don't really like it. I don't like the direction enough things are going there, see me? And especially about the raping and everything, them man are like rape 9-year-old girl and kill her and everything. You know, you feel like we should pay more attention to these things, you know. Like we should have more dialogue with each other in the community them, so we can protect the kids them more, you know. And, even the adult them, because you see a man all walking a nurse head and then something like me go apply for license gun, then I give me a license gun. I may own so much property at Jamaica. But them so-called upstanding citizens there, where them have a tapping a nurse head, a walking a nurse head, and a abuse a nurse way. It's also here to look after the people and the kids there, you know. So I just am making you know this, the nation, we need for be more serious about them situation and eradicate these rapers in our society and in our surrounding, you know.